All right, let's make some salads. Make my mom, myself, and my daughter some salads. And I don't think my mom eats Swiss, what do you call it, spring mix. So we're going to do her some out of this regular lettuce. And she's actually on her way here now. And I know that she don't eat. She'll probably take most of it with her. So that's why I'm putting hers in a to-go box. And my hands are clean. The countertop is clean. The spring mix is for me and my daughter. Because we definitely will eat it. I don't know if my mom will eat it or not, so we're going to leave hers out. And this is the, that's that broccoli that was going bad. Well, it ain't going bad, it just got hot, I guess I should say. And I'm the one who likes onions. So I'm going to put some onions in mine. Because I don't think well, I know my daughter don't want onions in hers. And I don't think my mom wants onions in hers. So I love onions in my salad. Some little carrots. Everybody's gonna get some carrots in theirs. How do you guys like yours? Do you like when your ingredients are spread all over, or like in sections? I'm doing my mom's in sections. Depending on the dressing that I have is whether or not I like cucumbers. And I'm going to do Thousand Island, so I don't want any cucumbers on mine. And we got some tomatoes. I'm going to cut up some tomatoes to put in my mom's. I know she likes tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes in my salad. I do like tomatoes, but I don't want it in my salad. This is some deli meat. Have you guys ever tried the garlic chicken? That's what this is. And my daughter wanted some in hers. Garlic chicken I get from Walmart. I'm gonna put some in my mom's. And y'all, my hands are clean. And you hear that clicking, that's my stove. Because I'm warming up gonna warm up something to go with this. Let's see what else we got. Eggs. Put a little egg in this one. My mom's salad. And this one is mine. Wash my hands right quick. And let's see, I got some bacon bits. Got from Sam's Club. Put a little bit right there in my mom's. Put some on my salad. And you guys, I love banana peppers. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my salad. Okay. And we definitely want to add a little cheese. These and spread it over there. That's mozzarella. And I have to have some sharp, but that's the extra sharp. I love this in mine. So, like that. Gotta put a little extra on mine. It's like I'm missing something. I do have those veggies that I cut the other day. But I guess that's what I'm doing. Just a little simple salad. You got your carrots, tomatoes, chicken. That's garlic chicken, your cheese. You got your onions on mine. You got your cucumbers, eggs, and bacon. And of course, we got the spring mix. But yeah, just a quick little salad. We got some, I think we might eat with chicken wings with this. But if not, this really is just a good meal in itself. So, yeah. I just wanted to get on here and do this video. And like I said, I'll probably eat mine with Thousand Island. And have you guys tried the, let me see if I can find it. Hold on one second. It's the Russian dressing. I don't see it. I probably ate it all or used it all. But yeah, they have a Russian dressing. I like it. It's pretty good. But for this, I'll probably just use me some Thousand Island. I got a few, some croutons. I'm probably throwing it too. But yeah, this is just a quick little video I wanted to make for what I'm eating today. All right. You guys have a good one. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I think this is, well, I'm not even going to say what day it is because I'll probably get it wrong. But until the next time, see you in the next video.